back to the channel. Today I have another exciting video for you. I mean, when is it not exciting though, guys? Today I'm installing this 7x5 Yaki straight 24-inch glueless wig. That's a mouthful. Shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so here is the package that they sent me. Girl, the bag? The iridescent color changing bag? We love a company that cares about aesthetics and functionality. Whoa. When you open her up, you get a set of press-ons. There's a headband to lay your lace, and it comes with a wig cap, brush for your baby hairs, and of course, the co-star of the show. Ooh. Excuse me when I open the door at midnight. Who are you? Just kidding, nobody's at the door at midnight. Anyway, all right, fresh out the box, this is what she looks like. I actually like this texture. It has a strap in the back that is adjustable, and it has this one large comb. This wig is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. This is it on the back of my hand, and you can see straight through my palm. You can't see the knot. Again, I am doing glueless. Alright, so this is what it looks like on top of my head. I think that is a seamless match. Alright, so here it is now that I've combed it out a bit. So I'm just gonna take the hot comb and try and flatten out the roots a bit more just so it can lay flatter. I'm wrapping the headband around just so it can keep the hairs laid in place while I begin curling the rest of my hair. And after each pass with the flat iron to curl the hair, I just sprayed some Got2b just to keep it in place a little bit so that the curls won't fall. Okay, so this half is done. Now I just gotta do this half, and we'll be finished. By the way, this hair was very easy to curl, very easy to manage. It was soft, and I absolutely love this texture. I added a bit more of the wax stick to the roots just to go over it again, even after curling the hair, because I want those roots to lay flat, 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 as well as touch up the front pieces just a little bit. And then when I feel like I'm done with that, I just kind of go in and slowly and softly separate the curls a little bit. I didn't want them too perfect, but I just wanted it to be like a loose curl body wave type of pattern, and I kind of like the look I achieved with it when I separated it, so I'm leaving it that way. And yeah, the only thing I put on this is Ebon Wonder Lace Bond Melt Spray. So this is just to help blend the lace in with your scalp, and it has a bit of hold or adhesive, but it is completely glueless. So in addition to the lace already being amazing and great quality, all that lace melt is going to do is make it look even more like scalp. So I'm separating the baby hairs from the very front section, and I've already cut them off camera, but I'm just cutting a little bit more, making them shorter. And then I took my, I think it's 1/2 inch flat iron, and I'm curling them. I don't know if I curled the right way, to be honest. I don't know if it's up or if it's down. But I did curl them down, and then proceeded to go in with the Erica J Fluff Stuff styling foam to go ahead and shape my baby hairs. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna go back in with my makeup brush one last time and like dab the front a bit. Okay, here's the finishing look. I think it turned out really nice. I'm very happy with the results. What do you guys think? Let me know. So this is what the lace is looking like. I can still run my comb through. And yeah, all the spray does is help it blend in a bit more. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you already have not. Push the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. If you do like this wig, I recommend you go get you one. Check it out in the description box down below. I'll have all the links to where you can purchase this unit. All right then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.